Hi guys, here I want to show you the unboxing of my new helmet AGV for my KTM RC390, and here it goes. This is my new helmet AGV. I love this helmet. I bought it online from Amazon.com. That's from USA, not the Indian website, because you get a lot of lesser price than compared to Indian one. So let me open the box now. This is the box which I got it, a sealed one. I opened the outer box, which was bigger than this. Packed good. There are thermocols all around. Come on, baby. That's nice. AGV logo. Wow. Okay, let me open it. So good graphics. This my new AGV helmet. It's got a 46 Rossi. There's a 360-degree view of the helmet. Wow. I got something sticking out. Oh, and this must be the warranty form. Okay, let me try it first. I can't wait it. It's got a cool internal visor. That's it. I think it's a perfect fit. How's it, guys? This is my AGV K3 SV series helmet. I bought this helmet because of the pure graphics and stunning graphics, vibrant colors, and of course the number 46. This is a size MS, which is about 57 centimeters. That's the circumference, and it weighs around 1590 grams plus or minus 50 grams. And these are the safety manuals, safety warnings, and some cool stickers. I've got two. And these are the things. I think this is used for the visor in case if it is loose due to wear and tear. Can you see that? This one. It's written in all kinds of languages. Thank God it's there in English. Wow, so nice. So that's it, guys. I hope you liked my new helmet and my short video of the description of the helmet. Ride safe and always wear a helmet, guys. Cool.